Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use multiple ledgers in Ledger Live. This powerful feature allows you to manage several hardware wallets from one convenient application. Imagine having one ledger for your daily transactions and another for long-term savings. Ledger Live makes this seamless. You can connect each device individually, ensuring that your different sets of accounts remain separate and secure. This approach offers enhanced organization and peace of mind for your digital assets. Connecting multiple ledger devices to Ledger Live is straightforward. First, plug in your initial ledger and unlock it with your unique 4 to 8-digit PIN. Open Ledger Live, go to the Accounts tab, and add all the accounts you wish to manage with that specific device. Once finished, safely disconnect it. Then, simply connect your second ledger, unlock it, and follow the same steps to add its accounts. Ledger Live intelligently distinguishes between each device, keeping your asset portfolios distinct. Once you have added accounts from multiple ledger devices, managing them is intuitive. When you connect a specific ledger, Ledger Live will automatically display only the accounts associated with that particular device. If you need to access accounts from another ledger, simply disconnect the current one and connect the desired device. Remember, any transaction, whether sending or receiving, will always require the physical presence and confirmation on the exact ledger hardware wallet holding those funds. This provides a robust layer of security. For maximum security when using multiple ledgers, always employ strong, distinct PINs for each device. Crucially, store each device's 24-word recovery phrase in a separate, extremely secure offline location. Never, under any circumstances, share these phrases or your PINs with anyone. Regularly update both your Ledger Live application and your device's firmware to benefit from the latest security enhancements. Following these practices ensures your digital assets remain safe and sound across all your hardware wallets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.